Hi everyone, let us study one of the important primary rules of interpretation of statutes, that is, the literal rule. First, let us know about interpretation of statutes. The word interpretation is derived from Latin term interpretare, which means to explain or to understand or translate. Interpretation is a process through which true and correct intention of the law-making bodies are laid down in the form of statutes is being ascertained. The Constitution of India does not use the term statute, but it employs the term law and describes an exercise of legislative power. Now, to start with literal rule. Literal rule is also called as grammatical rule or plain meaning rule. According to literal rule, statute must be construed literally and grammatically, giving the words their ordinary and natural meaning. In this rule, the judges rely on exact wording of the statutes for the case. They do not interpret the meaning. When the meaning is clear and unambiguous and gives only one meaning, then only ordinary and natural meaning should be given to the words, whatever may be the consequences. Only when the words are not clear, are ambiguous, and give more than one meaning, then only the courts can deviate or depart from this rule. Literal rule is considered the most important and safest rule of interpretation due to the following presumptions. First one, language of statutes speak the mind of the legislature. Second one, legislature knows English and grammar and its rules, and as such what is conveyed by the language, the same was intended. Third one, legislature do not commit any mistake. The court can depart from this rule under following circumstances and adopt any other rule to find out the intention of legislature. When words are doubtful meaning and they do not convey that meaning which was intended by the legislature. When the results which are derived from literal rule are absurd, unreasonable, unjust or anomalous. When the language suffers from ambiguity and gives out alternative constructions, one which could be taken as reflective of true legislature. Advantages of literal construction. First one, enables the common man to understand the statute. Second one, upholds the supremacy of separation of powers. Third one, it gives very quick results. Third one, there are no scope for judges to use their own opinion or prejudice in cases. Now, disadvantages of literal construction. First one, it can lead to injustice. Second one, it creates loopholes in the law. Third one, it may lead to absurd decisions which the parliament did not intend. Fourth one, it gives the judges little to no discretion to adopt the changing times. Let's understand the above topic by help of case laws. These are the very landmark judgments which was given by adopting literal rule. First one is Ramavatar versus Assistant Sales Tax Officer 1961 case. Under the Central Province and Bearers Sales Act, vegetables were tax-free. Ramavatar contended that pan leaf is also covered under the purview of vegetables according to its dictionary meaning and hence should be tax-free. However, the judge said that the dictionary meaning can be referred only when there is ambiguity in the provision, and there is no ambiguity in this provision. Hence, court rejected his plea and considered that betel leaf is taxable. The second case law is Saraswati Sugar Mills versus Haryana State Board. In this case, the question was whether sugarcane is a vegetable. The SC, while giving a negative answer, said that the word vegetable in entry 15 of Schedule 1 of Water Prevention and Control of Pollutionless Act 1977 is to be understood in common parlance. Botanical meaning cannot be given. Hence, sugarcane is not a vegetable. That is it for literal rule. Thank you.